In one of the recent updates, Samsung has added a very unique feature to Samsung Galaxy Watch 4 and Watch 4 Classic. And this feature allows the users to wear Galaxy Watch 4 on either left wrist or right wrist. And how it does that? Let's go ahead and take a look at it. Now you can do this on the Galaxy Wear app on your phone as well as on Galaxy Watch 4. So we will go ahead and take a look at it on the watch itself. Go in settings, go in general, and here if you scroll down you will see orientation. So go in orientation, and now you will see two options here. One is wrist, under which you get two more options, left or right, so whether you are wearing it on the left or right wrist. And then you have button position, left or right. So the concept is, by default, if you wear this watch on your left wrist, the buttons will be on the right. That is the default position. The top button is the home button and the bottom one is the back button. And no matter which orientation you use this watch in, the functions of these buttons will remain the same. Now, keeping all of this in mind, what if you want to wear this watch on your right wrist? If you are wearing this watch on the right wrist with these settings, which are the default settings, which have been there forever on all the previous Galaxy watches and are there on perhaps all the other smart watches, the buttons will by default be on the right. But now there is a way to put these buttons on the left as well, which means that they will be facing your hand, just as they are when you wear it on the left wrist. And for that, first you will have to change the wrist here. So you will change it to the right wrist and then change the button position to left, which means the buttons will go on the left and will face towards your hand. So as soon as I will select the left button, you will see that the screen orientation will reverse. And there you go. And now we can reverse the watch and wear it on our right wrist, and the buttons will be on the left facing your hand. And in this way you can use your Galaxy Watch 4 on the right wrist just as you use it on your left wrist, just by changing the button position and the wrist position. One thing to note here is once again that the buttons functions will remain the same even in reverse position as well. The button with the red stripe will remain the home button and the other one will be the back button. Now in the grand scheme of things, this is not a big feature. It's a small update, small thing, but a very eloquent feature that improves the usage of Galaxy Watch 4 on your wrist. And by doing this, Samsung is improving the user experience of Galaxy watches bit by bit with each update. So these are little things here and there that you have to find to make the best use out of your Galaxy watches. I hope you have enjoyed this video and it was useful for you. I will see you in the next one. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.